Okay. So, in this video, we are going to be working on Devoid. For those of you who do not know, Devoid is the game that Lunar Studios has been working on recently, and I am the lead developer of it, and also the founder of Lunar Studios. So, in this video, live stream, I will be showing you guys how I work on the game and just work on the game in the process. So currently, what I'm working on are park upgrades. I'm not sure. You probably cannot see this. Let me change this in OBS. Okay. Right, perk upgrades. Perk upgrades are, well, perk upgrades, they appear after you encounter a certain character in the chasm. I also have updated the way that the perks can be picked up now. They have this little display icon. Dun, dun, dun. I will not be showcasing much of the game, like, as a content-wise. I moved this over here so that it's convenient for me to pass through and play and stuff. Okay, so perk upgrade is not show, but every perk now has this cool little icon. And what perk upgrades do look like, they look like little red crystals that kind of just appear. Uh, is visible? It is not visible. All right. I have finished all the perk upgrades for the hallways, so now I am going to be working on it in the unrang. Yep. And then just mostly going to be copying and pasting these events. And then modifying them to suit all the variables and environments of said level. For example, if we count all the updates, not update, upgrade, perk upgrades. This is what they look like. I think it's a very cool design. If we can see, there's currently 4 of them, so we want 3 of these gone. 3 random ones. So we just leave it like this. What this does is called a function, and it picks up a random one of these guys, one of these upgrade perks, and then destroys it. So essentially, you are left with having just 1 perk upgrade per map. And I'm actually considering that there might be chances that perk upgrades do not show up at all. But I don't know. That might be a bit too lethal. I need to see if this. Oh, right. I'm thinking, right? So Is there like a way to add text in between? No. If you don't see right now, I am currently checking out the help manual because I happen to not know how to insert changing text in between variables. Wow, these help settings suck. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure out a different way. So I'm thinking that a perk can maximum be upgraded 2 times, so it can reach up to level 3. Right, so and I cannot really confirm that this big perk 3's. Okay, what if... No, then it's gonna... No, but okay, yeah. Now, why I cannot directly add a variable to one of these perks is that this applies for both first perks that are gathered in the hallways level. So essentially, we have I'll just call big perk and perk 4, each of them having certain perk levels. Right, these ones. That's not supposed to be 2. And then 1. And then it multiplies the different stats that the perks apply by that perk level, and depending on the different perk upgrades that you like collect, the perk level increases by like a certain amount, like 0.07 or 0.5, 0.025. I'll find them. But the way that the text feature over here works going to be 0.5 to upgrade like the next level. And if it's just 1, it means it's in base level, and it stays that way. Move this here. Move this. Copy that. Well, the only problem with this is it subtracts 0.5 from 1. So if we subtract another 0.5, doesn't work. But let's say that the original interval for each radar beep is 7 seconds. It gets half to 4 seconds. If we get that half, it's going to be 2 seconds. So in reality, we only need to subtract 0.25 from this next perk level to bring it down to an interval of 2 seconds. Okay. Got that. Uh, I can actually see this huge delay right now. Wait, what did I do? Oh yeah, that's correct. Hmm. Eight more of these to go, and then we can proceed to adding the different perk level upgrades. Hello, someone joined my stream, and they just left. Okay. Perhaps in future streams, I might actually play the update for Devoid. Hopefully, more than one person is going to watch. As is the tragic life of the game developer. Oh yeah, one thing to mention. Last stream, my microphone was just not working. That's because I set my microphone to the microphone of this webcam, not my default microphone. That kind of sucked. I know now, though, how to fix it. How do I pin this? Well, I have no idea how to pin tabs. Who cares? Fanglow is incompatible. heal is not. Oh wait, I didn't add one for heal. What's it gonna be? I'm gonna add 0.5 of that. Let me just fetch this calculator. That's not right. Keeping it that way. Comment down below which game I should play next stream. Isn't compatible. Adrenaline is very much compatible. Some of these are like exclusive to only some of them. For example, these 4 I know are exclusive only to perk 4. And so is heal only exclusive to big perk. Okay. Maybe this is simpler than I thought. want to show you guys some sketches for actually a sneak peek of some of the new bosses that will be coming up in the fourth update. Yes, we plan ahead that much. I don't have them here. I'm just gonna import this here because I'm too lazy to add a new screen to OBS. The new sketches for the bosses look somewhat like this. These are amazing, actually. These are re-sketches of the original design of the bosses. Personally, I think these are just fantastic. Very nice done on the design of the Dweller. Abomination as well is very nice. Yeah, these will be available in the fourth major update. The musics for these bosses, actually, I will release later today. So if you want to give them a listen, just go up on my channel and consider subscribing too while you're at it. Gonna delete that. These are cool little guys. I think they're cool. Ooh, this has been one of the areas that I always found rather interesting. It's actually one of my favorites. Why don't I show it right now? Hopefully, I fixed some of the lag. Ignore the search that just said how to pin a window in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is less laggy. These are the new and updated pay-per-views. I'm not sure if they're included in update 2, but I think this looks way nicer than just like text flashing on the screen. Let's read this. All team members, this is where it's safe. The next time being, case of power outage. The breaker box will be of use to repair the lights. The key to the basement is somewhere around. Just forgot where. Team member Vasily. The ambience for this is currently playing from my side. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it because I am bad at streaming and do not know how to show audio. Resting quarters is split into two sides. One is just the regular resting quarters, and then the other is the lower resting quarters. Uh-huh. You can. This is already the exit. The last is locked with the key, as stated in the notes that we said before. That said, the key to be locked. And this is just the upper part, and there is not much here other than the fantastic ambience and the spooky vibes. I'll actually add some things over here later on, maybe in the stream, like some frequent jump scares, like some kind of mythical creatures or some kind of a randomly triggered event. While I'm at it, let me talk about the random generation of these rooms in the resting quarters because they were such a pain. There's the system I'm using for the generation. It does not store the angle and like the size of each of the items that are stored within. the place that it randomly picks and generates only saves the position of them. So instead, what I had to do, I don't want to like these ones. You can see that these are perfectly 90 degree. This is because I had to add like manually objects here called rotators that rotate these beds to 90 degrees whenever they touch them. And save the position. I just made the size already naturally that big. I kind of modify it. But as for the other ones, I did not want to make them like static, so I just made them choose their angle randomly. So are these desks, and then for these long planks, I made them choose both their angle and size randomly until they are not overlapping with any other objects in the game. So sometimes you can see them spinning like some devil fight from Delta Shadow to Deluxe. Uh, Power outage. As stated in the notes. I actually think that it's better to beat the location with the power outage because then it kind of just shows you where uh, the box is, the brick box to show the lights, to turn the lights back on. Nice little parallax going on there. Epilepsy one. That was actually part of the recent second update, the flickering light, and today the update flickering lights. Thank you to Zoya Sauce for watching the stream. Hmm. Ignore my comment. Oh, there it is. First, I was this. That's out of bounds. First, I was this little green thing as a map. Uh, it was very risky. This could have gone off bounds. Yeah, but now I have a map which actually shows us exactly where we are. Not exactly, but it just generously rounds. As to the keys in the lower right, and yes, this map actually is massive. It stretches almost 6,000 pixels in both height and width. That's pretty massive for a layout in Construct 3. So now we're in the area of the key, so we should find it plenty soon. Actually, I must say, the development of the resting quarters took way longer than the development of like Underhang Chasm, because this level has a lot of things to offer. Like this sponge for $4.99. Look at that. If you're wondering how I made this map like just around the location of where you're at, I placed a bunch of huge like hitboxes that are on the map, the sort of track your location. So if you're overlapping one of these, it sends a position on the map to trigger to an image point. There are like 12 of them on this map, and then it sets your current position to that map on the image point. Same for all of the other crucial objects for completion of the. And there's the exit. It took a while. This one might take a while to generate because it is massive. It's barely 4 p.m. here and the sun's already setting. Now, if we wait for the screen to. This is my fourth live stream this week. Helping. Yeah. As you can see, this is far laggier than the previous level. That's because it also has a bunch of other objects here. I did my best to reduce the lag by like unloading and changing the visibility of the objects that are off screen. It helped a little bit, but the lag is still visible. Also, this pipe is this part. Oh, okay. There he goes. The big fire thing. Mm, ratio spider. That took a long time to actually animate because I had to like tweak the angle, multiple objects at the same time, and you can see it's still not perfect, but I try my best. Okay, that was a terrible lag experience, but here we are. I get three button options. For some reason, these perks refuse to show. Fix it. But as for now, I must go. I will be back later with a second stream, so maybe a bit later. Yeah.